Edisuta lokata kwi ngese adumu anetinu edolete ilukumina kwata kaisauni kedi kanyauni akwata kanyi akisa kanyape kanu aitikitik adekana emedi.
Katakwi district received 3,464 bears, and each bear has 40 nets. Therefore, if you multiply, Katakwi has got 138,560 nets.
Ni ejaunera anetinu kaparan kana unier kwa ya pesilo RDC retired Major Godfrey Even Katamba RDC lo Katakwi ngesi esiala mikitapu Ghana ko Uganda ka ipadi chake kanu etudolikine isumuneteke na ITGA midi kakwapo.
One net, two people. A maximum of 5 nets per household, meaning 10 people per household. So that's what we've got, and this was dependent on the UBOS and the micro planning data that was corrected in June this year. We have distribution points and they are based at the parish level.
Dr. Simon Chumaromekelo epolo kitangale ko disuta kalo Katakwi nyesobu ichora kitonga atosoma netenu kojokan.
Akotangale muno kinone be. Ade kane midi nyesa ade kane polo ni kere district tani. Edwelu ipukelo nyeso kata adexano kata kwa bima meta koto ichelo to kenelete angoro me poti ni pernikita ade kisia kero district tani rano imi. So elipte ngate kerebe kwa yonta netinu ekotona atsoma netinu job nyesa atsoma netina aikamia agaria ara botibo akorio to iboro kwatangu ido soma ya kroto kwatangi ebunelo siwani kene VHT reporting ajo
ikota kironenda kotupete isula ilo adomunitedo metelo angaleu edolete anetinu itongalu odisuta kalo Katakwi abala Jacqueline atohaire na irere koriona anetin kodisuta kalo Katakwi
138,560 nets to be exact. So these nets, there was a micro planning process that took place. We got figures from the district and they gave us that data, and that's what they based on to bring these nets to Katakwi district. We are so hopeful that these nets will be enough for this population, because the VHTs are going down to do household registration, register the beneficiary, bring that data, and we shall depend on that data to give out the nets on that due date, which is Wednesday and Thursday.
Ejas Mwenda Philip Odekelo irere no aila anata redisutalo Katakwi nyese abala ebe kotoma otunga ito monolu inwakyo kadex na apolona ko Katakwi nepeta ikanyari kesedumu nokeda adekana emidi.
It is like itinge kanyari itinge to monolu wanyara ngumtipa kijaski demi. So kota tilisiari kwa na jagi kedebere ko kana yana kina kona kugana ayana kina itibano atita uleme dato ni kona domu kwa pe edis ado tuko na itiban because itiban to mo to smala beklo pera yara ni mamsa kabni adebonga o mta bala nepeta ara to soma ite jok pera dawo ni karu ni tetere tupakitana na peta neja tarapugano ayana nakina after every 3 years.
Kanuka TV East, France Ochen, kodisuta kalo Katakwi.